Government and opposition members of the Joint Select Committee reviewing the Bail Act are still at odds over some provisions of the proposed legislation. The biggest disagreement is in relation to Section 5, which among other things covers who decides when bail is given and when. The opposition argues Section 5 should specifically state that persons accused of shootings and murders would be the ones restricted in their efforts to get bail.
We don't believe that this Clause 5, in the way it is crafted, will be able to stand a challenge under these, relative to it being a breach of people's constitutional rights, citizens' constitutional rights.
But committee chairperson Marilyn Malahoo-Fort was left frustrated and annoyed, specifically because the committee spent months making changes to Section 5 based on suggestions of members, the Attorney General, and representatives of the legal and civic groups.
It does seem clear to me that the initial stance taken by the opposition is the stance taken at this stage, notwithstanding the process that we went through in taking submissions and revising.
Senator Scott Motley was traveling. When this meeting was scheduled, she was already overseas. That is why we're not in a position, or she's not in a position to respond on behalf of the opposition. If you insist on ramming it through on a schedule,
Member Bunting,
then, I have to give you the shorthand response.
Member Bunting, you really would truthfully say that there is an insistence on ramming anything through? It does not serve the interest of the people of Jamaica for there not to have been consideration by the opposition of the revised provision. What it tells me is that it doesn't matter what is contained in the revised bill, your stance is to oppose, oppose, oppose.